Welcome to Hilton Waterfront Community, which designed for owners who value privacy, global standards, and comfort. My name is Janna, and you are on Nefer Real Estate YouTube channel. And look at this beautiful building. This is a new project branded by Hilton. It's located in a very popular destination, Raha Beach, where you can find some different style and different types of property, including villas and low-rise residential buildings. And this is something really new, something with a new concept. And this shape of the building, which refers to the sea waves and beautiful sea views, Abu Dhabi skyline and the sea, and also a rich infrastructure which offers everything for their residents. So this is the first Hilton branded residence in Raha Beach, and this project consists of different types of property. Mostly it's 1, 2, 3 bedroom apartments. And actually, one bedroom apartment is mostly located on the lowest floor, and bigger apartments offers the better views bigger apartments offers higher floors and better views. Fully Hilton operated residential community with 5-star services by Hilton, like concierge service, like food delivery, like housekeeping, and also a membership in a privileged club for owners of this Hilton residences. This project consists of 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedroom apartments, 4-bedroom townhouses, and 5-bedroom penthouses. The infrastructure is amazing because you can see it's a huge plot which dedicated to some amenities. You can see the big outdoor pool, and there is an indoor pool. There are some sports grounds and kids play areas. There is a gym. There is another gym, kind of lounge zone, and this green community with pedestrian areas. And also, of course, promenade from seaside here. So you can see the beautiful promenade with the beautiful views for Abu Dhabi skyline. And here you can see how the project will look like from this seaside. So you can see, as I said, this is garden townhouses. Small apartments with 1 bedroom is located on these floors, and high floors then dedicated to bigger apartments, 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms, and also there is other houses. Regarding the prices, many apartments already sold, but there are some apartments available, 1, 2, 3 bedroom. The prices are very affordable, as I think for this kind of community, this kind of brand and level of services. Now the starting price is 2.6 million dirhams for 1 bedroom apartment, 3.5 million dirhams for 2 bedroom apartments, and 5.6 million dirhams for townhouses. Some townhouses are still available. The developer offers very comfortable payment plan. You need to pay 40% during the construction stage and 60% on the handover. As you can see, this is really big community and takes more time to construct it, to finish the project. So this project is going to be constructed by the end of 2028. This project is perfect for end users and for investors. For example, we can consider this project with projects in Dubai, in Dubai Marina, because it's a beachfront community. It's a lawn, walking, pedestrian area, and promenade. There are some marinas nearby, this and that. If you're an end user, you can focus on the location and also the huge and great infrastructure. And also, it's very close to all amenities and all infrastructure within Abu Dhabi, because there is a Yas Island very close to Raha Beach, and with all the school and entertainment areas. And also it's very easy to get to the city center with schools and so on. But if you're an investor, you can consider this project as an alternative for Dubai, because the prices in Dubai, it is a similar project, the similar size, the similar concept, like in Dubai Marina and GBR. we can consider the prices and see that this price is more affordable. This is more attractive prices for the entrance to this market. As an investor, for example, the apartment with the same area would be at least 50% higher in price, considering with Dubai Marina. Below you can find the presentation and our contact details. I would be happy to talk with you, to suggest you some options, either you end user or investor, and consider with other projects and other opportunities and help you to find the best option. See you on our YouTube channel.
Next update.